What's following me right now is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The audio you're hearing is the new Saramonic Air SE. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen of Sounds and Sights Media out of Lexington, Massachusetts. Also have a YouTube channel, Everyday Electric Rides. Today's video is about the Saramonic Air SE with this snappy battery case that fits right in your pocket. It's almost like a lipstick size. And we're going into a reasonably affordable DJI RS4 Mini, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and a Freewell case, ND, variable ND filter with polarizer. We have all-day power with the affordable South Korean Gentry Bumblebee. That's the only battery that's U.S. military standard drop tested. It's 97 watts, so you can bring it with you. The Saramonic Air SE, for the past 3 videos where I did a auto frunk installed at Auto Engineering. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are in Lexington, Massachusetts, having some shims put in on my 2026 Model X. The camera in my hand is a iPhone 17 Pro Max, and one blue light means one transmitter. So the transmitter can be seen in the app called Mavis Camera app. The back holds the receiver, and on each side, a transmitter fits in, gets charged up. So the transmitter is very, very small, and there is a blue light that lets you know that it is connected to the receiver. As you can see, on the right-hand side of the phone is the receiver with 2 blue lights telling us that we have wireless audio. If you take the receiver out and put it back in the case, you can use this as a handheld mic, which I think is pretty cool too. So this is extremely lightweight, perfect for your iPhone, smartphone, Samsung. As you can see from the levels in the Mavis Camera app, we're in the green and some yellow and orange. And we are doing a little bit of a behind the scenes of an install on a 2026 Model X.
All right, I'm Ian from Auto Engineering. Today we installed the electric hood struts on this 2026 Tesla Model X. I have it all buttoned up. The factory button in here still works to release the hood right in there. That still works as it should. And it actually also closes the hood. Well, I will jump into the car and I will close it for you. And yes, yeah, we have it on setting 5, which is the fastest setting. All right, so as you can see, it all works very well. It looks basically factory. You really can't tell that someone's been in here. Like I said, the wiring in there, it's kind of guesswork on where to route it and how to kind of zip tie it up. It came with a bunch of zip ties and sticky tape. So there were a few things that we had to kind of work around there. But overall, good install, and it works really nicely. They should have this from the factory. See, this was the first one that I've ever done, maybe even the first one that anyone's done on this exact model car. So there was a bit of a learning curve. It was kind of difficult figuring out where everything went, especially because the instructions didn't really tell us much. But after I got everything together, I kind of figured out how to do it. It's really not that bad once you get into it. And I'd say expect somewhere around 5.5, maybe 6 hours for install.
For those that are on the fence about going wireless audio, this is, I consider, level 3 iPhone, smartphone recording, because you have a gimbal that can track you by yourself, so you're a solo content creator. We have all-day power with the affordable South Korean Gentry Bumblebee. That's the only battery that's U.S. military standard drop tested. And it's 97 watts, so you can bring it with you. A AI tracking gimbal that can basically do walk and talk with you. And you can just take all your footage from your little 2 terabyte SSD drive, put it right into your laptop. Having the audio behind my iPhone 17 Pro Max, there's 2 green lights means I have good audio. I've been touching the power button, so it goes blue. So I think that in itself is worth the price of admission of $49, I believe. I'll have it pop up to make sure. For $49, you can have 2 audios and a charging case that you can go from empty to fully charged one time. This battery case that can add power to your transmitters and receiver, 2 of them, 2-channel, 2.5 megahertz audio that is very, very, very affordable. And it has a really good limiter. I paid for the Mavis Camera app. You can use your iPhone or your smartphone's native. But if you want something free, you can go to Blackmagic Design. It just gives you more control. So as you progress in your filmmaking or video content, using your native camera app with your native audio to kick it up a notch for only $49, you can plug this right into your smartphone USB-C or Lightning, and you can get really good audio for 2 people, 2-channel. So if you're doing, maybe you're doing cooking and you can take one of these and put it by the pan or something, and you can hear the cooking and whatever you do for content creation. So this is phenomenal. I absolutely love it. And you can work your way up from, say, something like this. They have another one called the Air, which is slightly more money. And then they have a couple more, but the flagship for me for the 2.4 is the Saramonic Ultra. I use this all the time because of the 32-bit float, because I do my post-processing and DaVinci Resolve. But absolutely love it. This little buggy iPhone, this little buggy wireless audio, 2-channel, one's down here, one's here. So let me know what you think about this, and let Saramonic know in the comments how you like their solutions for audio, from small, inexpensive to what I consider their flagship 2.4, which is the Ultra. Tracking me, I'm doing content, TikTok, dancing and stuff like that. So this is pretty much it. And I've been using this for a couple of times. And today I did it for this unboxing of the Easy Station by Celine.